Hey friends, welcome back to Chicana Ranch. I'm Veronica, and today I want to make sourdough discard tortillas. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. I'm going to place everything, all of the ingredients, into my KitchenAid mixer bowl. So it's about half a cup of discard, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of water, and then 1 cup of flour, another half a cup of flour, mix all of this in my KitchenAid mixer. It's been a couple minutes. The dough looks like this. It's a little crumbly looking, but get your hand in there and get everything incorporated. This. Okay. So we have a ball here, still a little bit crumbly. Okay, I'm gonna knead it one more time. For a few more minutes just to get everything really together. Okay, we have this ball of dough. Looks like this. It's pretty good. It feels pretty elastic. I like that. All right, I am going to just make a little ball. And we'll let it hang out for 30 minutes. We are going to divide our dough into 8 pieces. You can do 8 to 10 pieces. Okay, that looks good. Let's just make a little ball out of this. After you got all of your balls, go ahead and flatten it out into a circle. And then you're going to roll it out as thin as possible and as round as possible. I know it's not an easy task, but Now they sell little machines to do this, but I don't need any more kitchen tools as of right now. It's pretty good. It's awesome. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. It's kind of shrinking. If it's shrinking, I add a little bit of flour on top and just keep rolling it out. This. I have my pan heating up on medium heat. Once I roll this out, I'm gonna go ahead and just flop it on there. I'm going to put this on my pan. All right, here's our tortillas. They look delicious and smell delicious. Perfect to make wraps. You can do morning burritos with them. You can do a lot. It's really cool. I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo in there. Going to roll it up. This video is sponsored by Mars, and I am going to give away this good looking vintage bread box. It has this really nice bamboo lid. It just looks so clean and so slick for your any type of kitchen, farmhouse or modern. It's just gonna look good in your kitchen. It also comes with a bread knife. I'm also throwing in one package of my dehydrated sourdough starter. This kit also comes with a really large bread bag. It's very convenient, and you can also store your bread in here to have your bread more fresh and just better longer. It also comes with directions and everything included. All of the rules for the giveaway will be in the description box below. I will also have a link for this product if you would like to buy it on Amazon.